The internet has failed me. Have a broken controller from my Fox Live valve, this thing down here, and I can't figure out how to replace it, where to get a new one. We're going to try to crowdsource this one. So if you've had this problem and figured out how to fix it, please, please, please put something in the comments so the rest of us at least can figure out where to start on this.
Live valve on my Pivot Mach 4 SL has worked great. I got this bike used last November. Used it in the winter. I used it all summer and a lot. Never had any trouble with it. I train all year long for one bike race in the middle of September. That bike race was this weekend, and when I went to turn it on, it didn't work. The green lights came on briefly, and then they were really, they kind of like faded out and blinked away like something was loose in there. I fussed with it a bunch. Now all I get is this blinking red light. It's like 4 blinks, and then it goes off, and I can't get it to do anything else. There are a number of different connections for it, and I've gone through and made sure they were all well connected. They're not dirty. They didn't get any water in it. There's one, there's one, there's one. I guess I'm just stumped at this point. You can see that there's no dirt or corrosion on the contacts here, nor on the contacts on the bike. Obviously I've tried charging it up, and that red light will come on when it's charging.
Fox's website is really not helpful. None of this addresses my problem, and acknowledge that sometimes they die, and they have the whole kit that I can buy for $2,000, which I don't really want to do. There's only one place on the whole internet that I even found that you can buy a new controller, and it doesn't even say it's a controller. It says it's a battery, which I believe is also the controller. Of course it is, but I don't know why it doesn't say that. The controllers are not even available by themselves on eBay. I've been able to find a couple of the whole setup, forks and shocks and controller. Again, it's less expensive than buying it from Fox, but it's still pretty pricey. It almost seems like a better deal, though, than spending $600 on the battery alone, except that you don't get a warranty with it. So I don't know what to do. If you've done this and you've been down this road, let us know what you did. I would especially love to hear from you if you figured out how to fix this controller. I suspect it's just the battery, and it should be replaced, and it shouldn't be all that tough to take it apart. Of course, if I have to buy a new one, I might as well take it apart. So I'll try that. But if you've done it, let me know. Let me know how you did it. And I'll make a video so other people will know. Thanks so much.